iDrive dynasty, the home for passionate car lovers who crave the latest updates, honest reviews, and deep dives into the automotive world. If you love performance, style, and engineering excellence, you're in the right place. Today, we're looking at a machine that has redefined what it means to be a luxury performance sedan. The 2026 BMW M5. The 2026 M5 is a bold leap forward for BMW's M division, blending heart-pounding power with refined sophistication. Under the hood, you'll find a newly tuned 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 paired with an advanced hybrid system. The result, a jaw-dropping 750 horsepower and lightning-fast acceleration from 0 to 60 in just 2.9 seconds. This isn't just speed for bragging rights, it's precision-engineered performance that grips the road with an all-wheel drive system, capable of adapting to any driving condition. BMW hasn't just focused on brute force. The 2026 M5 is a masterpiece of balance, adaptive suspension, rear-wheel steering, and a perfectly calibrated 8-speed automatic transmission deliver razor-sharp handling without sacrificing ride comfort. The M-mode settings allow drivers to switch from a relaxed luxury cruiser to a track-ready beast at the press of a button. Step inside, and you're greeted with BMW's latest iDrive 9 system displayed on a sweeping curved digital panel that blends the instrument cluster and infotainment screen into one seamless unit. Premium leather, carbon fiber trim, ambient lighting, and precision stitching elevate the cabin to pure luxury. The seats are not only sculpted for comfort but also engineered for lateral support during spirited driving. The exterior design commands attention. A more aggressive front fascia, larger kidney grills, sculpted lines, and aerodynamic enhancements give the M5 a muscular yet elegant stance. The quad exhaust tips, M-specific mirrors, and exclusive paint finishes ensure this car looks as fast as it feels in terms of technology. BMW has packed the 2026 M5 with advanced driver assistance features, improved connectivity, and updates to keep the car's software fresh for years to come. Efficiency has also improved thanks to the hybrid system, which allows for short bursts of electric-only driving when needed. The 2026 BMW M5 isn't just another performance sedan. It's the ultimate fusion of luxury, technology, and raw power. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising down the highway, it delivers an experience that's nothing short of exhilarating. This is the future of the M5, and it's a future worth driving.